Adorable and well-maintained 3 bedrooms, 2-bath home split floor plan with an added bonus room that could be used as a 4th bedroom, family room, playroom or other possibilities. The rocking chair front porch will invite you to sit and enjoy the birds singing as spring arrives. Step inside the front door to the large great room featuring a rock fireplace, cathedral ceiling, laminate wood plank flooring to enjoy your evenings after a long day. Open from the great room is the dining area, which also connects to the spacious galley kitchen. The kitchen recently had a makeover, adding beautiful new white cabinets and black granite countertops. You will be pleased with the number of cabinets and counter space whether you are entertaining or just preparing a small meal. Washing dishes will not seem like a chore, as you will love the big stainless steel sink and also the view of the backyard from the window above the sink. Just of the kitchen is a large laundry room that also leads into the bonus room that can be used for so many different possibilities. Owner's suite is just of the great room, has plenty of space, cathedral ceiling and bathroom with a soaking tub and separate shower. The foyer, located on the opposite side of the great room between the dining room, leads you to 2 guest bedrooms and a guest bathroom. Both bedrooms are spacious with new carpet and good closet space. Guest bathroom has a shower/tub combo surrounded by tile along with tile flooring. French door off the dining area takes you to a very nice and big, fenced-in backyard, which also offers a patio, storage building and fire pit. There is also a spot that has been leveled and maintained to add an above-ground swimming pool. New roof, new septic field lines and pumping recently, new kitchen cabinets, new vent hood, new laminate wood plank flooring throughout most of the home and new water heater all give you peace of mind on many of the great things about this home. Conveniently located within a few miles of the Kia plant and the industrial park, along with